Good morning, guys. December 1 is here, and I'm doing more research like I always do on all the holidays. And you know how I like to share little bits and pieces of holiday information with you guys. So today, the subject matter is going to be how German households observe Advent. More to the terms of how they celebrate it by using an Advent wreath. Okay, guys? So, many German households observe Advent with an Advent wreath. Okay? Traditionally, it's fashioned from fir branches that are entwined with gold and silver ribbon or bits of red thread. Okay? Now, other information that I read said that the wreath was made of fir, yew, or laural, any of those three. But like I said, it's entwined with gold and silver ribbon or bits of red thread. And the wreath also contains holders for 4 candles in it, okay? And this is traditional in German families. It's traditional in other areas as well, but in this video, we're strictly talking about the German tradition. Now, let me hop in here, and I want to read you a little paragraph that I found about the Advent wreath. Okay? It says, "The wreath itself is an ancient symbol whose eternal circle stands as a reminder of new beginnings at a time of apparent endings. While Advent falls near the end of the calendar year, it marks the beginnings of the Christian year. Because the wreath is made of evergreens, it also serves as a symbol of eternal life in Christian terms and the life that goes on in nature despite the cold winter weather." Okay, guys, I just wanted to share that little bit of information to you. Since today is December 1 and December 1 marks the first day of Advent. Okay, guys, have a blessed day today. Happy holidays to everybody, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.